Dot product of vectors, exercise 12b. In the previous video, somebody have commented that sir, 12b, 12c, 12d. Yes, I will try to upload the videos. Now I will go for exercise 12b. That exercise 12b of elements of mathematics, which is on dot product of vectors. Dot product of two vectors a and b is written as a dot b, which is equal to magnitude of a, magnitude of b into cosine theta. For this you can watch another video which have been uploaded, dot product of vectors by Balkrishna Hutta. You know, I think my name is. You can write dot product of vectors by Genius Math and Physics. You can search that one. Yes. So a dot b equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos theta. This is the first concept. Second one is, if a, I would take a1i plus a2b1j plus c1k, and if b is taken as, yes, you will make it a2, okay, a2, so it will be better for you, a3k, and b equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then a dot b will be a1b1 plus a2b2 plus a3b3. a1 into b1 plus a2 into b2 plus a3 into b3. I coefficients will be multiplied together plus j coefficient will be multiplied and k coefficient will be multiplied plus. A dot b equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Okay. Exercise 12b, first question is on this concept. Question number 1. What is the value of 2i minus 4j, 2i minus 4j dot I plus j plus k? What would be answer? It is 2 into 1 I, j into minus 4 into 1, but there is no k, but here is k is 1. So 2 minus 4, it is minus 2. Always remember, dot product of vectors will be a number only. 2i minus 4j dot I plus j plus k. 2 into here I coefficient is 2, here I coefficient 1, 2 into 1, j coefficient minus 4, j coefficient 1, and k coefficient not there, and this is k coefficient. So answer will be minus 2. Second bit second, similar question, that a is there, b is there, c is there. A equal to I plus 2j minus k, b equal to b is equal to given I plus j plus 2k, and c is equal to, we are getting c equal to 2i minus j. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Is a perpendicular to b? Options are like this: a perpendicular to b, b perpendicular to c, a perpendicular to c. No pairs are perpendicular. No pairs are perpendicular. Okay. So here, how to find out whether the vectors are perpendicular or not? For perpendicular condition, I am writing here, perpendicular condition, a dot b should be equal to 0. A dot b must be 0. This is the key point. First vector dot second vector agar 0, then the vectors should be perpendicular to each other. Now you see, for a is perpendicular to b, a is perpendicular to b, check 1 into 1 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2. Answer is 1 into 1 1 plus 2 minus 2 0 1. So A is perpendicular to B. Wrong, because of we should know that A perpendicular to B, if A and B are perpendicular to each other, then that product is 0. So but that product is your 1. You see B perpendicular to C, you can check like this, B perpendicular to C, so 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1, observe B and C, 1 into 2, 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into 0. Answer is 2 minus 1, answer is 1 again. No, it is also not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. That's why B is perpendicular to C is also wrong. Now let us see whether A is perpendicular to C. 1 into 2, 2 into minus 1. Here minus 1 into, there is no K. So 2 minus 2, yes, 0, answer is 0. Therefore I can say A is perpendicular to C. Option C correct. Okay. Question number 1, second bit over. Pause the video. For what value of question number 1 bit 3, for what value of lambda these vectors are perpendicular to each other? This is a vector. This vector is minus 3i plus lambda j plus k. This vector is I plus 0j minus 3k. Okay. My question is, these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. When A dot B equal to 0, so A dot B means it is minus 3 into 1 plus lambda into 0 plus minus 3 is equal to 0. You see, minus 3 into 1 plus lambda into 0, because there is no j, k coefficient 1, here k coefficient minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. So lambda minus 6 is equal to 0, lambda equal to 6. Bit 4, in question number bit 4, A dot B is equal to C dot A. All are the multiple choice questions. Huh? A dot B equal to C dot A. For all vectors A, then which one is correct? Option 1, A is perpendicular to B minus C. Second, B minus C is equal to null vector. B minus C equal to 0. Third, B is not equal to vector C. dB plus C is equal to B plus C is equal to 0 vector. Which one is correct? We have got A dot B equal to C dot A. Just come to the. Then A dot B equal to C dot A. Then which one is correct out of these 4 options? You see A dot B equal to C dot A. So A dot B is equal to C dot A. I can write A dot B minus C dot A is equal to 0. Actually this is not, this is a dot product and this is dot product. So this is a scalar quantity and this is a scalar quantity. Right? So scalar minus scalar is scalar. So the answer is 0. A dot B minus C dot A 0. Take A common. B minus C is equal to 0. Therefore I can write B minus C is equal to 0. Also I can say A is also equal to 0. A is also equal to 0. It's not in the that magnitude of A would be 0 and magnitude of B minus C would also be 0 because of A dot B equal to 0. So I can write here B minus C is equal to 0. Any option is there? Yes, option is there. Option 2. right? Because of, we can say this can be equal to 0 or this can also be equal to 0. Pause the video. Okay, with the 4 options, question number 1 over. Question number 2, find the dot product of vectors, find the dot product and their angle, dot product and their angles, and the angle between the vectors. Okay, question like this: angle between the vectors, find the dot product and angle between the vectors. Vectors are given as 2 vectors are given. One is 3i minus 4j, 3i minus 4j. Here is minus 2i plus j. What do we do? That we have to find out the dot product. We know the dot product is 3i minus 4j dot minus 2i plus j. It is 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2, again minus 4 into plus 1, right? 3 into minus 2, minus 4 into plus 1. So answer is minus 10. We got the dot product of vectors. Now what is the angle between the vectors? For we have to find out angle between the vectors. Angle concept: cos theta is equal to a dot b by magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Cos theta equal to a dot b by magnitude of a into magnitude of b, because you know that a dot b equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos theta. Okay, therefore I can write cos theta equal to a dot b by magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Now what is a dot b we got? A dot b is minus 10. What is magnitude of a? Magnitude of a is root over of I coefficient square plus j coefficient square into the magnitude of b, root over minus 2 square plus 1 square. So answer is minus 10 upon, this is root over 25, 5 into this is root over 5, 5. Therefore cos theta equal to minus 2 upon root 5, theta equal to cosine inverse minus 2 upon root 5. In this way you can do another question. Another question is there. You can proceed in the same way. What are the questions? What are the other vectors? Okay, you have noted down, so I'm going to wipe it out. Like bit 1, bit 2, bit 3 and bit 4 all will be done like this. Do yourself. If any doubt, then you can ask me again in the comment box. Next I'm going to proceed question number 3. Question number 3. A is a vector. A is given 1, 0, 2. A is a vector means its position vector is given 1, 0, 2. B is a vector 0, 3, 1. B is a vector 0, 3, 1. C is another vector with 5, 2, 0. I am saying about this point as vector because of these are the position vectors. Okay. Next question is find the angle between ABC. Find angle ABC. Angle ABC. What is the angle between AB and BC at first? You find it first AB. Question is angle ABC. At first find AB. AB equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus position vector of A, I can write like this: 0 3 1 minus 1 0 2. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 3 minus 0 3. 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. A B. Then next is, or I can write it is minus I plus 3j minus k. This is your AB. What about BC then? BC, position vector of C minus position vector of B. So I can write 5 minus 0, it is 5, so 5i. 2 minus 3 minus 1, it is minus j. 0 minus 1 minus 1 into k, it is minus k. We have got AB as well as BC. Our question is M angle ABC. M angle ABC, I can write, if I say this is theta, then cos theta is equal to AB dot BC by magnitude of AB into magnitude of BC. Right? AB dot BC by magnitude of AB into magnitude of BC, because this is a vector and this is a vector, and angle is included in between these two vectors. If the angle is included between two vectors A and B, then cos theta equal to A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So I have written AB dot BC by magnitude of AB into magnitude of BC. What is AB dot BC? Find AB dot BC. AB is minus 1 into 5, it is minus 5. Again same technique, minus 1 into 5, it is minus 5, plus 3 into minus 1, it is minus 3, minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1. By, again, magnitude of AB, root over of minus 1 square plus 3 square plus minus 1 square. Minus 1 square, it is 1, 3 square 9, again minus 1 square, it is 11. Now this one would be BC, 5 square 25 plus 1 plus 1, 27. So answer is minus 7 by root over 287. Na? 297. You can simplify here also, it is 3 root 3. We can write. There is no problem. So cos theta is equal to, I can write here, cos theta equal to minus 7 by root over 297. Root over 297, I can write it is as 100 root over 11 into 3 root 3. That is, I can write 3 root over 33 minus 7 by 3 root over 33. You see 99 into 3, yes. 3 square 9 into root over 33 square, it is 33. 33 into 9, yes, 909. That is cos theta equal to minus 7 upon 3 by root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to, theta is nothing but M angle ABC, equal to cosine inverse. We got cos theta is like this, na? It is cos theta. Got theta equal to cosine inverse minus 7 upon 3 root 33. So cos inverse minus 7 upon 3 root over 33 is your required answer. Okay, here we have done AB as well as BC. At first find out AB and ABC, then apply angle formula, you will get the angle. Pause the video. Question number 4, find the value of lambda so that the vectors are perpendicular to each other. There are 4 questions, but I have taken only 2 questions. One is having ij, another is having ijk. I will solve these 2 questions and other 2 questions will be solved like this. Just I am going to solve here. 3i plus 4j b equal to minus 5i plus lambda j. I have to find out that vectors are perpendicular to each other so that lambda नहीं. इसका मतलब ये है कि a डॉट b, पहले वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, a डॉट b 0 आना चाहिए. a डॉट b 0 अगर होगा तो वेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिकुलर. इफ टू वेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिकुलर देन their dot product is 0. You must remember this thing, that A dot B equal to 0. So A dot B means 3 into 5 plus 4 into lambda. 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into lambda is equal to 0. This implies 4 lambda is equal to negative 15. Lambda is equal to, 4 lambda minus 15 equal to 0. 4 lambda minus 15 equal to 0. 4 lambda is equal to 15. Lambda equal to 15 by 4. Over answer. If we go to the second bit, perpendicular condition is A dot B equal to 0. In second bit, 1 into lambda plus 1 into 1 plus 5 into lambda is equal to 0. So answer is 5 lambda plus lambda, 6 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. 6 lambda equal to minus 2, lambda equal to minus 2 by 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Other two questions will be solved like this. If there are two vectors A and B, then we can find out the value of lambda by using the concept A dot B equal to 0. A dot B means I dot I, J and J will be multiplied together, it will be added. Okay. Question number 4 over. Question number 5, before that pause the video. Question number 5, find scalar projection and vector projection of A on B. The questions, 3 questions are there. A equal to I, B equal to J, so and so. But I have to find out the scalar projection and vector projection. In the right hand side, I have written the formula. Scalar projection of A on B is equal to A dot B by magnitude of B. Another formula, vector projection, A dot B, vector projection of A on B, okay? A on B is equal to A dot B by magnitude of B square into vector B. Scalar projection of first on second is equal to their dot product divided by second magnitude square into second vector. Okay. Then A dot B by magnitude of B square into B. Or I can write it also A dot B by magnitude of B into vector B by magnitude of B. You see, magnitude of B into magnitude of B, it is B square. So formula, we got the formula. Now question number 1, scalar projection of I on J. I on J. Answer would be A dot B by magnitude of B. What about I dot J? I dot J, remember, I dot J, I dot J. I along x-axis, J along y-axis. X-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other. That's why dot product to perpendicular vector is 0. Magnitude of J is 1 because of unit vector and magnitude 1. So 0 by 1 is equal to 0. What about vector projection of A on B? Projection of I on J. Yes, answer is I dot J by magnitude of J square into vector J. So I dot J is 0. 0 into something is equal to 0. But since it is a vector quantity, it is 0 into a vector. You see, this is a scalar quantity. Scalar is multiplied with a vector. So answer is vector quantity. So answer would be 0. Okay, this is a scalar, na? Scalar into vector. 2 into J. 2J is a vector, na? Right? So 0 into J is also 0, but 0 is a vector. So everything 0 vector. Similarly, second question, I plus J, J plus K. Its dot product would be there. I into I has I plus J dot J plus K. Okay. What you have to find out? Scalar projection of A on B. At first, the dot product. Dot product is I plus J dot J plus K. I plus J dot j plus k. It is I here 0, I here 1, here is I 0, so 1 into 0 0, j 1, here 1, k 0, but k is 1, I plus j dot j plus k, it is 1, I coefficient 1, here I coefficient 0, 1 into 0, 0, coefficient 1, coefficient 1, 1 into 1, 1, here coefficient 0, here coefficient 0, 0 into 0, right, ijk. So you got the dot product is 0. So what about scalar projection? Dot product by magnitude. So 0 by magnitude of j plus k. 0 by something is equal to 0. Similarly, the vector projection would also be, 0 no, it is 1 na? Sorry, it is 1. 1 by j plus k. So 1 by j plus k means 1 by root over of j plus k magnitude. I coefficient square is 0. J is 1 square plus 1. So answer is 1 upon root 2. Right. Similarly, vector projection, A dot B by magnitude of B square into vector B. We got it. A dot B by magnitude of B, it is scalar projection we got. Then vector B its magnitude. Vector B by its magnitude. Okay? You can proceed. Similarly, third bit. With this question number 5 over. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, force is given F equal to 4I plus 2J plus 3K and particle is displaced from point A to point B. Question is calculate work done. Calculate work done. W equal to how much? Calculate W, work done. So W equal to, that force dot displacement. The particle is displaced from A to B. That's why I can write F dot AB. F dot AB. What is AB here? Since particle is displaced from A to B, AB equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. 2 minus 1. It is 1 into I cap. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, y component, minus 3j, 3 minus 0, 3k. AB equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A, AB. So, work done equal to force dot AB, W equal to force 4I plus 2j plus 3k dot AB. I minus 3j plus 3k. 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 3. 4 into 1 it is 4. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 6 it is 3 plus 4 7. But done is 7. So 7 units. Okay, in this way there are so many questions, up to 3 questions are there. I am going to write the questions so that it would be here. F and AB, the particle has been displaced from, here F is there and B is also, F is given. F equal to 4I minus 3K and particle has got displaced from A 1 to 0 to B 0 to 3. It is second bit. Third bit, F is equal to given, F equal to 3I minus J plus 2K. Particle is displaced from A minus 3 minus 4 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2. Like this. Okay, we will do the same manner. F dot AB, at first find out AB, then find out the dot product, so that we are done, we will obtain. Question number 6 over. Question number 7, given A plus B dot A minus B is equal to 0, A plus B dot A minus B equal to 0, then prove that magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. Given a plus b dot a minus b equal to 0. You find it here, the dot product. A plus b dot a minus b. Multiplication is same as the, you see a dot a minus b. A dot a minus b. A dot a dot minus b. B dot a, b dot minus b. Which is equal to 0. A dot a, dot product of two equal vectors. Dot product of two equal vectors, a dot a, the dot product of the a dot a, dot product of two equal vector is the square of its magnitude. So square of its magnitude, square of magnitude of a, here the square of magnitude of b. B dot a and a dot b same, so these two got cancelled. So magnitude of a square minus magnitude of b square equal to 0. So that I can write magnitude of a square equal to magnitude of b square. If 2 will be cancelled, then it magnitude of a equal to magnitude of b. Okay, here what I have done. Question number 7. Dear students, these videos will quite helpful for you to clear the fundamentals as well as to get the elucidate examples and the solutions of the exercise. Okay, somebody have commented, and I am very much glad enough that he has given the comment that 12B videos will be uploaded soon. And so I think another one also, I cannot recall the names. Very much I am very thankful to them, so that they are watching the videos. So you see that all these videos are not only required for +2 Orissa board, these videos are also essential for all type of state board exams and the entrances also. So keep watching the videos without skipping anything, so that if you skip this one, then the formula or something will be skipped, so that the fundamental will not be cleared. Okay, thank you, keep watching, and next videos will be uploaded soon. Thank you.